Okay, so the next thing that we're going to cover is push and pop in p5.js. You remember how if we want to apply a fill color, now a fill color would apply to every shape that is drawn after it. So say I want them yellow, and of course it would all be yellow. Now, what do I do if I want just my circle to be yellow? One of the ways that we can do that is with the push and pop functions. I'm going to put my fill on top of my ellipse, and I'm going to put right above the fill command, push, open close parentheses and a semicolon, and then right below the ellipse command, I'm going to say pop. Pop, open close parentheses, and then the semicolon. And so what that's going to do is it's going to lock in the color settings just to that one object. Now, what is actually happening here? What push does is it saves every setting that is present on the canvas up to that point. So in this case, up to line 15. And then pop restores it back to whatever original settings that push has saved. All of this to say that it's not just restricted to just one shape. And so I can draw like a rectangle. I can make it, stroke blue on another ellipse. Another thing that I forgot to add is that you can also apply transformation commands within push and pop as well. So for example, I want to make these yellow shapes to follow my mouse X and mouse Y. So I'm going to do that here. And so what would happen is, so as you can see, well, they're still like 200 and 200 away. So I might just reduce that number just so we can see. And so as you can see, the shapes that are within push and pop are following my mouse, whereas the other shapes aren't. So I guess the easiest way to capture what push and pop means is that, so everything that you apply after push won't be applied after pop. And so everything that you apply after push is only applied within that bracket before it reaches pop. So I hope that makes sense. So I hope that illustrates it, that push and pop is the preferred way to lock in specific settings into a certain objects. So that's basically transformations in a nutshell. If you want to read more in depth into it, I highly recommend this article. Literally, if you search, like Google search P5 transformations, this is going to be the first one to come up. This was written by Gene Kogan. Really comprehensive guides on how rotation works. These super cool sketches similar to p5.js reference. You can also edit this on the go, stuff like this. I will link to this article down below in the description. We also have a module to sketch collection if you ever need more references or examples, but I'm sure you'll find plenty outside of that too. All right, now comes our favorite part, which is the speed exercise. For this speed exercise, try to draw a planet. Of course, a planet is just a simple circle, but maybe can we use, spinning transformations to have a moon or a satellite circling around the planet? How fast is it spinning? Do they have different colors? What shape is it? Is it interactive even? Like, do they, does it stop when the mouse is clicked? Does it change color if you press a key? Give yourself 15 to 20 minutes to finish this speed exercise. And once you are done, don't forget to share either a screen recording or a sketch link to our Discord server in the speed exercises channel. I'm going to show you guys an example. So this is a combination of all of the planets that everyone made in our first batch of the Data Garden course. And so we just made each of our own little planets and we put them together into this collaborative solar system at the end. You can compound those push and pops and rotations and all of those things. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this module. Again, don't forget to join our Discord server if you haven't already. Check out our previous videos from module 1 because we've got some fun speed exercises there as well, and I can't wait to see what you guys make in this one. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!